Well, this is Atarion News Channel, and here are the big stories of the day. First up, we got ourselves a fancy new code wrangling tool called Void IDE. Now, don't let the name fool you. This thing ain't empty, it's plumb full of features. It's an open source editor like Cursor, but without them Snoopy trackers or subscription bills sneakier than a raccoon in your pantry. You can plug in your favorite AI brain. Things like, Chat GPT, Claude, Gemini, heck, probably even Clippy if you dig deep enough. And the best part, you can run it on your own machine like a real cowboy. No cloud strings attached. Hold on to your wallet's crypto cowboys. Some hacker vermins done snuck into CoinMarketCap and threw up a fake Web3 pop-up. Folks saw it, clicked it, and poof, crypto gone faster than a beer at a fish fry. They snatched up $43,000 across 110 wallets, all because folks trusted a pop-up like it was their Memo. And was the lesson learned? If a window pops up asking for your wallet, close it like a haunted outhouse door. Over yonder in the UK, Oxford City Council had themselves a mighty embarrassing whoopsie. Hackers busted in like it was a tea party and stole 21 years worth of election worker info. That's right, from 2001 to 2022. Bet some of that data was still on floppy disks. No sign yet that the info's been misused. But lordy, that's a lot of British bureaucracy spilled out in the open like Aunt Patty's drawer of expired coupons. Well, looky here. Microsoft's snipping tool just got a glow up. You can now record your screen as a GIF. Yep, them loppy little animations that make everything funnier. Great for tutorials, bug reports, or making memes when your coworker forgets to mute on Zoom again. It's available on Windows 11, so go on and update it if you want to join the GIF generation. Denmark just hollered see ya to Microsoft and is switching to Linux and LibreOffice. That's like trading a shiny Cadillac for a rugged tractor. Less bells, more control. The government says they want digital independence, which is European for we're tired of Bill Gates charging us rent. They're rolling out Linux to the whole ministry, and honestly, that's bold. Bless their bearded sysadmins. Well, now, this here's a bit dramatic. OpenAI dropped a big old promo with Apple design guru Jony Ive. You know, the fellow who made the iPhone look all smooth and fancy. But then a court threw a legal wrench at him over a name dispute with a little old startup called Live. So OpenAI yanked their promo faster than a possum dodging headlights. The deal's still on, but hush hush till the lawyers stop hollering. Elon Musk finally let the cat and the steering wheel out of the bag. Tesla's robotaxis are now prowling the streets of Austin, Texas, and without drivers. No hands, no feet, just vibes and autopilot. Elon's betting a whole $1 trillion on this going well. That's trillion with a capital T. I can barely bet $5 on a gas station scratcher. Well, I sincerely hope them cars got good brakes and better sense than a squirrel in mating season. Bad guys from Russia figured out a sneaky little backdoor into Gmail, uselessing the usual two-step security. They use something called app passwords that Google lets you create for older apps. So even if you got MFA turned on, they just slipped in the side like raccoons in a chicken coop. Moral of the story, if you ain't using passwords, turn them off. And if you are, change them quicker than you change your socks, which I hope is often. Director Danny Boyle says that spooky little poem in 28 years later came from the idea of taking something gentle, like a bedtime rhyme, and twisting it into nightmare fuel. Like if you wrote Twinkle Twinkle Little Star with zombies and plague. Ain't that a hoot? Boyle knows how to creep folks out. And now we know how he pulls the strings. Smitey Pants at MIT done figured out how to 3D print glass at low temps. Instead of melting sand in a volcano, they're using this powder glue magic that prints clear glass at just 250 degrees centigrade. That means cheaper, faster, and probably a lot less scorch marks. Perfect for making science doohickeys or tiny fancy windows for your Barbie dream house. Some folks say teaching kids to code with Minecraft is smarter than a raccoon with a lockpick. Turns out, when you let them build stuff and control it with code, they actually learn. Plus, it's fun. Way better than sticking him with textbooks and a grumpy old teacher who still types with two fingers. California is finishing up the biggest dang critter bridge you ever did see. It's going over Highway 101 like a giant green welcome mat for deer, bears, and the occasional mountain lion. Spans 10 lanes, man. That's more lanes than a Waffle House has syrup bottles. It's part of helping animals cross safely so they don't get turned into bumper stickers. Well, folks, that's all the tech, hacks, science, and squirrel chasing drama we got for today. Don't forget to smash that little button like your uncle at the pie table and subscribe for more Atarion news every dang day. Until next time, keep your passwords tight, your apps updated, and your chicken coop locked.